Hello everyone. Whichever business vertical you are in, we're all working towards customer satisfaction and customer delight. It is crucial for businesses to measure the level of customer satisfaction a customer has with your product or service offering. You will be able to understand that only when you run customer satisfaction surveys, and you can take better business decisions and actions when you have unhappy customers. If there is any improvements that is needed in your business, you can make that decisions only if you understand that metric. And Whautomate offers a default way for you to run customer satisfaction surveys on all of the channels that you can connect with Whautomate, be it your WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Messenger, or even live chat that you can connect onto your website. You can run these surveys at different workflows. Let's say if an agent is talking to a customer while chatting with the customer support, once the agent closes or resolves the customer query, you can send out a survey to understand how your agents were able to solve your customer query. That's one use case. And there are several other use cases. Be it somebody making a purchase with your business, you want to be able to send them a survey to understand how was their purchasing experience. Whether it could be an appointment, if you're using our appointments feature, you want to understand whether your customers were happy after the appointment visit as such, so you can set up a workflow to automatically send them the survey. So all of these are helping you to understand your level of customer satisfaction to make better decisions and grow your business as such. In this video, let's look at how it works within Whautomate and how you can set up quickly a customer satisfaction survey and improve your customer satisfaction today. Let's look at a live demo on how to set up a CSAT survey automation when an agent closes a conversation within the team inbox after resolving a customer query as such. Let's dive into the demo. The way automations work within our platform is that you have triggers, bunch of triggers. When something happens within our platform, you can filter out based on the conditions, and then you can trigger actions which are sending message, sending CSAT surveys, those kind of things. I've already created a CSAT survey which I'm going to just open and explain. So here the trigger that I've used is when a contact status changes. So we do have statuses within the team inbox. When a bot answers, by default the conversation will be in the closed status. When it is taken over by an agent, it will be in the open status. Once they are done resolving a customer query, they can move it to closed status. These are the status changes within the team inbox. I'm using that trigger to send them out a survey. And what I'm doing here is I'm filtering out the contact status, because I want to send it only when the contact status changes to closed, which is the condition that I've given. And I also want to send this on the channel WhatsApp as such. The next thing I'm going to do is send customer satisfaction survey action. By default, I have the messages populated. So even if you add, we offer a default template as well. If you need customization on that, you are more than welcome to create your own WhatsApp template and then set up your own message and rating as well. Here it gives you a default option, which is pretty good enough to get started with. And the other thing is we do have surveys. The default surveys are available, but if you want to create your own survey for your own workflow as such, you can pretty much create one. Let's just call it as purchasing experience. Here we don't have one, but it gives me an option to add one. So I'm just going to click on S, and that adds pretty easily as well. So all of these options are available. Since I've already set up one, I'm just going to quickly delete this and save this one more time. And now that it is set up, let's look at how it works. So I'm gonna message my staging number, which is connected to my staging environment. So I'm just clicking on this one, so it is popping up with the menu option. So I have an option to talk to the staff for me to replicate the workflow of an agent closing the conversation. I've received a notification within Whautomate platform, so I'm just going to go into the team inbox. The conversation is waiting for a human agent to action it. I can directly assign the chat to someone in my team or take over the conversation by just replying. So you can see here it is now assigned to me. The conversation is open. So in a real world, this is where an agent would be talking to customers, solving their queries as such, and you can see the message popped up here as well. And once I'm done resolving the customer query, I'm just going to close the chat. And as soon as I closed the chat, it actually sent me the survey as well. Yeah, it takes a few seconds for me to receive the message, and then I will reply with the rating, and we will look at the reports as well. I have received the message on my phone. I'm just gonna select the rating as excellent, and I have received the reply here as well. And now I'm gonna go into the reports and click on CSAT score, and I can quickly run this, and I should be able to see the one that I've just rated as well on February 25th. You can see here it just gives me an overall satisfaction score, and all the number of ratings with the percentage of how many ratings were rated per scores. And I have drill down options to based on channels or surveys or date range. All of these options are available for me to filter it out and run the report as well. Yeah. So if I just filter it out, the score changes for this channel, and I can the agent and see how much is the score for each of the metric as such. And if I have an unhappy customer like this one here, I can go action this by talking to the customer, whether it's providing them with discount or something to make the unhappy customer happy, and gather more feedback to improve your business process as well. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you on this video about customer satisfaction surveys with Whautomate. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very crucial for any business to measure this metric and understand this metric to be able to make better business decisions and grow your business. If you like watching our videos, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting a lot more videos about customer engagement and how to grow your business with Whautomate as such. And if you want to sign up for a free trial, the link is in the description. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial and try out all the features within Whautomate platform for yourself as well. Thank you.